Hello everyone, welcome to an unboxing video of a very interesting pen, one that you have probably not seen online very much because it's a Toronto local pen collaboration thing. Okay, so recently I had the honor and privilege of going to Laywine's because they were having an event. The event was that AJOTO from the UK came to visit, and so they're doing a tour, and he makes these really beautiful, they're roller balls. Yes, I know fountain pen people. They're beautiful roller balls, and he's got steel and aluminum and like brass, so sterling silver, thank you. So it was like a trunk show, and also we got to see his prototypes, and we chatted with him, and it was actually fantastic. We had a really good time, and I've actually been eyeing his pens for a couple years now, but like I'm always like, it's a rollerball. I can't quite do it. I'm like, I could get a fountain pen, right? But I was very fortunate to have been at this event, and there was a takeaway. The takeaway is this item. This item is the AJOTO collaboration with Laywine. Now, they're a super pretty pen, but you can't see it. There are so many details that I want to show you about not just the pen, but also the packaging, that I think it's best if we don't waste time up here, but we go down there to the desk so I can show you everything up close and personal. So let's do that. Okay, welcome to the other part of this video, which is going to be more detailed, more exciting. At least it is to me. My brain is not working. Okay, so we've got actually two here. This one is also an AJOTO, which was purchased at the same event. And this is, yes, it is actually autographed. How awesome is that? This is the stainless steel version. And so there's like aluminum, there's stainless steel, there's brass, like tumbled brass, like a raw brass, and a finished brass, and there's also like Cerakoted ones. So there's a whole bunch of options, but this is the one that my friend liked. So I thought I would also show this one to you. So let's do this one first, okay? The packaging is wild. I love it. It actually comes in like a big sheet, and then he folded it up on the spot for us and put it together. So recycling, very basic. Now, sorry, recyclable. You can tear this open, but I'm not going to because the pen doesn't belong to me. So let me just show you on the inside. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to come out with it. One sec. Okay. On the inside, there's a little box, and that's where the refill is. Here's one of the refills. This is a Schmidt capless rollerball refill. So it's in green. I like green. It's just one of those. The pen will also fit Parker style refills if you prefer ballpoints. So there you go. That's what the refill is. Now, you can hear it. There's some details written on the inside, like guarantee of the pen, like what it covers, what they cover for you. It's really nice. He's a super nice guy. If you really wreck your pen, just contact him. He'll help you out, okay? So the packaging, this is anodized aluminum for this particular item. And I love how simple this is. Like, it's just, you know, I hate packaging, right? So like, I like basic packaging. I like something that's reusable or, you know, just not wasteful. So there's this little adorable doohickey. It says, you are about to embark on an amazing journey. Be creative, stay curious, make your mark. Now, just, you know, AJOTO stands for a journey to. So it's like a journey to what? Ooh. And then on the other side, every product has a story. Find out more at ajoto.com. Okay. The bed is made of cork. These are sourced in Portugal, and so they like to like source things themselves, you know, like, so they know where it's coming from. They are in touch with manufacturers or suppliers. So that's really nice. I like that as well. I love that you could put other pens in here, but I also love that it's just so simple. Move that out of the way. Get rid of the extra cork. So this is the stainless steel version. Very pretty. If you've been around in the pen world for a while, you may have seen a Kickstarter launched some time ago that tried to copy this shape. This is the original. It's honestly, I put one of these in my hand years ago when I first visited Laywine's, and Nick, a friend of mine who worked there at the time, we were both just like completely in love with them. and they're just so unbelievably comfortable. It's hard to describe, but like for me, I find them incredible. It just sits so well in my hand. Okay, so it's engraved up here with the logo. The turning mechanism is also steel. We're gonna open it up. It's got an O-ring in it, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this much detail, but there you go. You can see it just if you want. There, it says made in the UK. There is a serial number on it, and it says AJOTO on it. Very cute. There is a refill in here, so let me just close this up. I love how the mechanism works. It feels really reliable. Then open. There you go. So I'll do a quick writing sample after, but I mean, this pen is not really about the refill. I mean, they have selected a really reliable Schmidt refill, so you know it's going to work, okay? Now, let's move on to the Laywine's version, because this is the one that I really wanted to focus on. Okay, so this says AJOTO limited edition collaboration, and it's got a sticker at the bottom, so we're just going to slide it off. Laywine's in gold, beautiful, super classy. This is super elegant. Inside, you've got like it's really cute. It look like, to me, it looks like an inkwell, but also fountain pen nib, but also like ink dripping into a bottle. Amazing. There's the box. It comes with a leather sleeve that matches, and this is brushed, and it says Laywine's on it. It's engraved. You have the same thing. There's a refill under there. Oh wait, let me move that out of the way. You got the cork. You have this little doohickey here again. Now the number on this, the number is the amount of seconds that has passed since they have opened AJOTO. So I don't know, that's really cute. I like that, how they've come up with this number. And so inside you have the the brass version of this pen. And let me move all this out of the way. I'm going to keep the sleeve because I need to show you something with the sleeve. There you go. Same thing, same mechanism. You just rotate. Oh, there's no refill, right? The refill's in the box. It is engraved here with the AJOTO logo, and the turning mechanism is steel, and the pen is polished brass. So it's very shiny right now. I have not touched it, so there's no patina on it developing yet. It smells like pennies. If you're not into brass, that is not an option for you. I mean, if you don't like that smell. Now, the sleeve they have designed is really interesting. It's super slim. I really like it. And the way you use it, you have to, you can't just slide your pen in there. You gotta press the sides to slide your pen in. Now, I've not done this before, so let's see how this goes when I try to remove it. So it's really secure. So if you just try to pull the pen out, it's not gonna come out. Okay, at least not very easily. I could probably pull it out. The idea is that you're supposed to squeeze the sides again to open it up, and then it slides out with ease. That's a fantastic design. That means your pen that does not have a clip or something, it's not going to just slide out of the sleeve, which is something that a lot of people have had issues with, like with the Baron Fake Squires, for example. Like they're so smooth and round that they slide out of their pockets and stuff. So you could always get a sleeve like this, put it in, and you know your pen is secure until you want to take it out. So let's move that. These are the two items, the two pens. You know, like if you really are into rollerballs, like if you like rollerballs or you just like nice pens, these are stunning. I have been eyeing these for years, and I was actually looking at the rose gold version, but in the end, I was like, doesn't it make more sense to get a version that's local, like Laywine's collaboration? That's really exciting. And the stainless steel I thought I would share with you because it belongs to a friend, and I was like, why not? Just borrow that, share it with you. So there you go. These are the pens. Absolutely stunning. Like, really, they are stunning. I really like them. Now I'm going to open up this turning mechanism to show you because it's very special. It says, AJOTO for Laywines, designed by AJOTO for Laywines. And I think that's really cute. Like, it's a nice little detail. You know, it's like a little secret in your pen. Okay. So I can put that back in. There we go. Lovely. Absolutely gorgeous. So thank you, Laywines, for hosting this fantastic event. thank you for just making this possible, like, you know, allowing us to meet each other, Chris and I, and getting to spend time with everyone. It was really fun, and if you have events that you can get to in local pen stores, highly recommended. And so I'll put links for the AJOTO website so you can check them out. And now, as for price, you cannot purchase these online. You have to phone Laywines or visit. So you're looking at like a couple $100 here, Canadian, okay? So like 300 depending on which items you're looking at, which model, which finish. So, you know, give them a call, see which one you like, and check them out online. You can see which one you like. And if you want to order, you can give them a call to do so, or just stop in. So there you go. Okay, I'm going to switch camera angles. We're going to do a quick writing sample just so you can see it. And yeah, that's everything for now. Okay, just gonna do a quick writing sample. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's a Schmidt rollerball. It works. What I can tell you is that the weight of the pen makes it really comfortable to write. It's like effortless for me. I love how it feels. I love how it feels in hand. I love how it sits in my hand. Okay, everyone, that's enough. You've seen it in action. You've heard it in action. You've seen it in my hand. Really comfortable. So there you go. I hope you found this useful or enjoyable. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it so much. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and Patreon as Gourmet Pens. And you can also find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest as Toronto Pen Company. So thank you again to Laywines and Chris at AJOTO. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a lovely day, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.